Here we are inside the cockpit of the Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. Notice you have a great transom walkthrough, freshwater shower here, boarding step for those high docks that you may come upon when you're out boating during the day. An electrically actuated storage compartment here on the aft. You can see the seating is absolutely incredible, a lot of space. The guest helm seat on the port side reverses and joins the party. Twin seats on both sides of the helm area. This is a joystick piloted vessel. Twin 12-inch Simrad screens on the dash. The head compartment of the 310 SLX is in this model is a vacuum flush head system with upgraded bathroom interior. The front seating area, extremely spacious. Note the armrest on both port and starboard side.